This lesson will strengthen your understanding of adding and subtracting with negative and positive numbers. You'll be able to answer questions like this, or this after watching this video. Let's begin by thinking about the words positive and negative. What do they mean to you? Well, positive is something that's usually good. It's something you want, something you desire. Negative is used to describe something that is bad, something you'd really want to avoid. For these reasons, let's use the green blocks to represent positives. This block is happy and has a very positive attitude. Let's use this red block to represent negative. This block is grumpy and full of negativity.
Do you want to share some pie with me?
No, I hate pie and I'm probably allergic. So now we have a way of representing both positive numbers and negative numbers. What do you think will happen if we put them together? Well, I think we're about to find out. Well, isn't that something? There's exactly as much positive as there was negative, and they just burned each other out. What this shows to us is positive 1 and negative 1 equals 0. Our plan for the next few problems will be to figure out how many green blocks and how many red blocks you'll need based on the size of the numbers and the sign in front of them. Let's try 23 plus negative 19. Let's move these over here so we can have as much space as possible. So remember, we're going to use green blocks to represent positives and red blocks to represent negatives. So we have 23 green blocks and 19 red blocks. So remember, when one of these positive green blocks meets one of these negative red blocks, they equal 0. They go away. Let's do the same thing for all of these. There we go. Yep. Let's get rid of that one, and this one, and this one, and this one. All right. We are left with 4 green blocks. What does that mean? Well, remember, the green blocks were positive, so we have positive 4. So 23 plus negative 19 is positive 4. We did this by counting out 23 green blocks and 19 red blocks. Then we paired them together until we ran out of one color block and counted how many of the other color we had left. Neat. So remember, use the green blocks for positive numbers and red blocks for negative numbers. Make and remove the red-green block pairs, like this. Then count how many of whichever color you have left. If you have leftover green blocks, it's a positive sum. Leftover red blocks is a negative sum. Well, now it's your turn to try one.